If you are somebody who struggles with decimals and fractions, well, you're not the only one. So I'm going to just show you this. This is something you probably should save for future reference. This is actually prepping for the GED math test, but this is obviously helpful for a lot of people that really struggle. So as you can see, this piece right here is going to be what I'm going to be doing in this section of this chapter. Is talking about basic decimal use as well as rounding and things like that. So as you can see, these are all your numbers in before the decimal. So there's the decimal right there. As you can see, the ones is right before that. Tens would be before that, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s there. Now, when we're talking about decimals, typically most math problems are not really going to go past these first three spots here after the decimal. So we're talking about tenths is the number right after the decimal. Hundredths is usually what we use, tenths and hundredths, when we're talking about money. So that would be that 7 right there. And then sometimes we use the thousands position, which is right there where the 5 is. 10,000s, we kind of go a little bit past that. We don't tend to do that much with math class. So we're talking about rounding, which is going to be the part that people really struggle with. We have to look at whatever it is that they're asking us in the problem. If I said round to the nearest tenth, then I would be talking about looking at this number right here. So I would be putting whatever was in front of it, so 2 point, anything that's before that decimal, I would be putting. The number in question is right here at the tenths position, which means in order for me to do any kind of rounding, I always look at the number right after what they're asking me to look at. So I would look at this number right here, and I would say, anything 5 or higher is going to round that number up that I'm in question of. If it's anything lower than 5, then I'm going to keep it the way that it is. So again, nothing's being affected, the numbers before it. But here I would be looking at this 3 and I would be saying, okay, well, 7 is right after it. So would I be rounding it up because it's over 5? The answer would be yes. So this would be rounded to 0.4. If the number right after it was like, let's say a 4, then I would put 2.3 and leave it just like that. So rounding is a really tricky thing for some people. So hopefully that helps to kind of help you understand that. We will be doing some videos on how to compare and order numbers as well in this section. So don't forget to like, share, and follow me for more. And check these out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at UN Algebra. All of these are going to be located in my GED playlist. And hopefully I'll see you soon.